Ready to make your videos pop with captivating scrolling text that grabs attention? First, let's kick things off by importing your video into CAPCUT. Tap on New Project. Then select the video you want to edit from your camera roll. Once you've chosen your clip, hit Add to bring it to the timeline. Now for the magic. At the bottom menu, tap on the text icon, select Add Text, and type in the message you want to scroll across the screen. This could be anything from a catchy caption to video credits. Let's personalize this text. Experiment with different fonts, colors, and sizes to find the perfect match for your video's vibe. CAPCUT has amazing, easy-to-use features, so play around. Time to bring this text to life. Tap on the animation option. You'll find tons of presets, but to create the scrolling effect, look for animations like slide left, slide right, or scrolling. Select what aligns with your video. Fine-tune the animation for that perfect timing. Most effects allow you to adjust the duration of the animation, which directly controls how fast or slow your text scrolls. Play with this setting to adjust the speed. To determine when your scrolling text starts and stops, simply drag the edges of the text layer in the timeline, shorten it for a quick caption, or expand it to cover the entire video if it's credits. Preview your video to make sure you are happy with the scrolling text, and that's it. You've successfully added scrolling text to your video, making it even more engaging. Share your video on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and make it stand out. Now go on and create. Remember to subscribe for the latest CAPCUT tips and tricks.